My name is Lamarion. I am in the HTC plumbing program, and it's been going pretty amazing. I heard about the plumbing program from a college fair. I specifically spoke with someone about Hennepin Tech. I then saw that they had the plumbing one this year, and it was new, and I wanted a new start to something. In our lab, they build miniature infrastructures in which we have to build small plumbing systems. We then test those with water and air to see if they're sustainable to live in. And we've also got to work with PVC, copper, numerous amounts of materials, and get a feel of what it's really like. I would recommend Hennepin Technical College because it is very different from any other university and school, and it teaches you a lot. They have very specific programs for very specific things because they care about what the people want to do with their life and helping them get there.